A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, my dear students. Today we're going to solve your workbook page number 66. I'm going to mention here. So the students, they already done excellent and they still have some issue or didn't find the correct option. Please tally your answer and especially check the spelling. So that is your workbook page number 66. Here you know that chapter number 3 and lesson number 3. This lesson from your textbook, we're going to find their correct options about the adaptation, camouflage, protective coloration, protective resemblance, and mimicry. So these are the vocabulary words that we're going to find how and relating to them the answer in your workbook. So when we're going to see here, the first statement, a characteristic that helps an organism survive in its natural environment, it is what? Is or a, what we name that? Very easy. You can see here even the statement survival and ecosystem. So an adaptation is any characteristic that help an organism survive in. Okay. So we can know the correct answer here. That is adaptation. Second option here, organisms that are best adapted to their environment, dash, and pass on their traits to offspring. So here, how they can, you can say that increase their population, how they can survive in another way. So we can say that what they do, they reproduce, okay? Next one, a physical structure that help an organism survive in its environment, such as the dash. So physical feature in which of an animal fur is an, so the this one is color, and the next one is structural because the change comes in its structure. So what we write here, structural adaptation. Number 4, a characteristic that is an organism's response to its environment is A or N. So let's see here, dash adaptation. That is very easy. Yes. So what we write here? Behavioral adaptation. Now, after solving the first 4, let me see the second one here. What are some plants adaptation? So you know very well, like the animals, plants also change or show difference according to their environment. So let's see here. So the second one here, that is about the plants adaptation. So let's see one by one all the correct options. Some plants have adapted to, here we can write 2 things, like by developing thick waxy stem to prevent water loss. You know very well. So how they can survive in dry or desert land. So you can write here desert. And also, if you want to write, you can write also dry. Both are the correct one, but you need to write any one. Okay, no problem. Plants that are common in cold climate often have dash growing periods. So that you can say that a not long period, it should be a shortened growing period. Now, number 7 here, some plants produce bad tasting chemicals because mostly the herbivore, they attack on the plants and they start to eat. If their taste is not good, then what happens? The herbivore that might eat them, so that make them unattractive, mean to say the plants, their taste is not good, smell, or they are not good for eating for the animals, especially for the herbivore. They don't like them. So what we say that here, you can write here herbivores, or even the same word, its meaning is that plant eating, and if the space is not enough, down you can write plant eating animals. Okay, so these all are same, herbivore or plant eating animals, the same meaning. Okay, you can write even one. Sorry, this the here EATING. Now it's correct. Yeah. So in this way, you can write any two words or even single word. Okay. Now after that, we move to the next page. That is your workbook page number 67. Okay. So be careful to see here what are some animals. So how they change or how they adopted according to their climate, according to their environment. So let's see page number 67 here. For this, if you want to find the best one, you also focus on your textbook page that is over here. 172 here, you're gonna see the characteristics of the animals. So let's see the workbook. Question number 8. To keep warm in cold climate, animals have dash fur. So you know very well they will have thick. Why? Because they give more insulation layer. So as it become more thick, so the penetration of the, please focus. Okay, next, number 9. In hot desert, animals are often more active at dash. What time? At night time, when temperature drops. Because in the daytime, the hot temperature, they will even not move. Night. Number 10. Any color, shape, or pattern that lets an organism blend into its environment, what we call this? You know very well. This is just like to deceive someone. So the term here that we use, camouflage. Okay, so that is the correct one. Even you can see here the same term. We can find here this term, very easy to know that this blend in their environment is called camouflage. Okay, like this pipefish, and you can also see here other animals and organisms, they blend themselves according to their needs. Now number 11, a type of camouflage in which an organism's coloring helps it blend in with a background. Okay, so what we call this one, to its background. Okay, so this is a type of protective. When an organism matches to when an organism matches the color, shape, and texture of the environment around it. It is showing protective dash. So what we write here? Protective resemblance. Okay. Very easy, this one. Now, after that, we move to number 13. An adaptation in which an organism gets protection from predators by looking like a dangerous animal. So what we call this, you can see here in your textbook, that is mimicry. Okay. So this resemblance, so unpleasant animal is called mimicry. So the best or correct answer in this one is mimicry. Okay. Now number 14. Predators also use these characteristics to fool dash to P R E Y prey. Okay. So that is the last one here. The critical thinking, that is your homework. You need to complete yourself. Inshallah, you can find the best options. Now, after that, to solving this, let's move to the next page. That is on your workbook page number 68. So here it's very easy to find the answer. You have a word bank or like a puzzle over here. So I will try to. So the first word you can even write here. Okay, 1 minute. I make it zoom and then you can see easily. This is your workbook page number 68. Okay. So the first statement here, an organism that matches the color, shape, and texture. So what we call using a protective, the best option you can find here even in this form. I just going to color this and you can easily find. Okay. So 1 minute. This. The first is here we have like this. It's one. It can be highlighted from here. Just a minute. I will use this one. That will help you. Here, this one we use this. Okay. So you can see this. Okay, like this. The first here in the first blank, you can circle this one, resemblance. Okay. This for the first. Understand? Or I can, but if I do like this, you can't see. So it's better I will circle in this way. Okay. Or in this way also it can work. It's better. Okay. So the first is the resemblance. Second one is the camouflage. This one. This the second one, camouflage. Okay. Now the third one is adaptation. So I can find adaptation over here. Yeah, this one. This the adaptation. This for the third one. And the fourth one is the easiest one, you know very well. I can easily find, I think this one. Yeah, that's the correct one, mimicry. So you can make here in this way. That is the fourth. And the last one is again, we have here, that is coloration. Yeah. So this one is over here. That's the last one. Easy. So Yes, you can write in the blanks. Okay, it's up to you. Now, after solving this, we move to the next page. That is yours. That is your workbook page number. Okay. Now your workbook page number 69 that we're going to solve. So the first correct answer here, what you're gonna write, that is plants such as cactus. Okay. This is the right one here. And because why? Extreme condition, they can survive water. Then the third one, seasons. Next, streamline. Okay, next here, some adaptation developed because of predator and PREY relationship between them. So they contain poisonous. Next again, camouflage. And the last one on this page is your mimicry. Okay, till here we solved 69. Then we move to the last page of this second last page of this chapter, and that is your workbook page number 72. So be careful to solve that. So here we have page number 72. So the best option we're going to circle here. Boys, please. So here in the first one, that is ecosystem. Okay, that is your option number B. That is your option number B. Understand? Now, in the second one, let's move. Here you have number C, that is food chain. Okay. Now, after that, number 3, the best option is predator. Number A. Now, number 4 again, option number A. Now come towards question number 5, the MCQ number 5. The best one is D. Number 6, that is B, limiting factor. Number 7, the best option is here, C, that is carrying capacity. Now, after solving this, we move to the next page, the last page, that is 73. First, I will mention here page number, so that will help you. 73. So the best one here, first, number 8, mutualism, number D. Next, number 9, again, A. Number 10, again A. Number 11, that is C. Now number 12, yes, that is camouflage. Number 13, protective coloration, mean to say number C. 14, second last one, and also the second last is the correct one. And the last 15, that is niche.